How to crop a video inside Davinci Resolve. Let's drag this vertical video onto the timeline of Davinci. Let's say I want to keep only that smartphone and crop down the top, right, bottom and left side. I will not crop the video here on the edit tabs cropping because this requires the timeline resolution to be modified and it's complicated, but instead I will use the Fusion tab. Press the Shift key and the space bar, Shift space, and type in crop and click on the add button. This crop node was added. Now we have these four sliders up here, X, Y, X, Y. I want to keep, let's say, only that smartphone, so grab the numbers and I'm moving the number to the right, the video is moving to the left. Now the other X, okay, the Y offset till there and the Y size, and roughly that's it. Now come here to the fit and set it to, let's say, 25% because we need to see the size, the resolution of this newly cropped video. Go to the start menu, type in notepad and write down that new resolution, which is 507/824 in this case. Now let's do a modification here at the wheel. Go here to image scaling and we have this mismatch resolution. Set that one to no resizing and an output mismatch resolution also to no resizing. So no resizing here, no resizing there, and save. Now go to the deliver tab. Use the codec that you want, let's say 265. Modify the resolution, set it to custom. Type in those two numbers. For some reason, paste is not working here, but only there. 507/824. I will copy this and paste it here, because here it's working, there it's not working. Quality, let's set it to best. Browse. Save it to the D drive, save, add to render queue, render all, and the video is being rendered. Without this modification, here at image scaling, no resizing, the final video has these black bars. So if I right click on that one, open file location, this final video has no black bars. Although I see a tiny amount on the right side. Open with, let's say, VLC. It has a pixel, but the video was cropped down. That's the original resolution and that's the cropped resolution. So that's how to crop a video on the Fusion tab of Davinci Resolve.